अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब? उम्मीद करती हूँ खैरियत से होंगे। तो जी आज जो है मैं आपको जो पास्ट पेपर्स के मोस्ट रिपीटेड एमसीक्यूज़ जो हैं इंग्लिश लिटरेचर के, वो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूँगी। साथ इसको डिस्कस करेंगे, इनके आंसर और क्वेश्चंस। ये पार्ट वाइज होंगे, लाइक पोइट्री, मिडल एज, ऐसे करके। तो आज जो है वो हम पोइट्री के हिसाब से रिपीटेड एमसीक्यूज़ डिस्कस करेंगे जो इंग्लिश लेक्चरार के पेपर्स में, चाहे वो किसी के भी हों, पीपीएससी, एफपीएससी, केपीएससी, एसपीएससी में, जहाँ पर भी आप देंगे तो ये एमसीक्यूज़ जो है ना, ये मोस्ट रिपीटेडली आपको मिलते हैं। और आप समटाइम्स ऐसा होता है कि बहुत इजी होता है और हमें पता ही नहीं चलता कि ये कहाँ से आया या क्या था। तो चलें देख लेते हैं। वैसे तो ये एमसीक्यूज़ आपको डिफरेंट वेबसाइट से भी मिल जाते हैं, लेकिन वहाँ पे स्कैटर्ड फॉर्म में होते हैं, एक साथ आपको नहीं मिलते। तो ये मैंने सारे एक साथ ये हैं ताकि आपको ढूंढने में, तो इनको ध्यान से सुनिए। थोड़ी पिक्चर जब एडजस्ट करते हैं तो ये ब्लरिंग में आती है, तो मैं आपको साथ साथ पढ़ के भी इनके आंसर जो है क्वेश्चंस के वो बताऊंगी। तो चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। ओके जी, जो सबसे पहला है वो है विच पोइम एंड्स आई शैल बट लव दी बेटर आफ्टर डेथ, हाउ डू आई लव दी। ठीक है, ये शेक्सपियर के सोनेट से है। विच पोइट इज कंसिडर अ नेशनल हीरो इन ग्रीस, लॉर्ड बायरन। विच काइंड ऑफ पोइम इज एडवर्ड लेयर एसोसिएट विद, नॉनसेंस। ठीक है, in Coleridge poems, the rhyme of the ancient mariner, where were the three gallants going? A wedding. Harold Nicholson described which poet as a very yellow and glum, perfect manners? T.S. Eliot. What was strange about Emily Dickinson? She rarely left home. Rupert Brooke wrote his poetry during which conflict? First World War. Which poet laureate wrote about a church mouse? Benjamin. Which American writer published a brave and startling truth in 1996? Maya Angelou. Who wrote about the idyllic Isles of Innisfree? W.B. Yeats. A pattern of ascended and unascended syllables in lines of poetry, meter. The repetition of similar ending sounds, rhyme, applying human qualities to non-human things, personification, the repetition of beginning consonant sounds, alliteration, a comparison of unlike things about using a word of comparison such as like or as, metaphor, the comparison of unlike things using the word like or as, simile. Using words or letters to imitate sound, onomatopoeia, a description that appeals to one of the five senses, imagery. A poem that tells a story with plot, setting, and characters, narrative. A poem which no meter or rhyme free verse. A poem that generally has meter and rhyme lyric. Sylvia Plath married which English poet? ये नीचे ऑप्शंस हैं, ये आप देख लें। Carol Sandburg planked whitefish contains what kind of imagery? War. Which influential American poet was born in Long Island in 1819? Walt Whitman. In 1960, The Colossus was the first book of poem published by which poetess? Sylvia Plath. In his poem, Kipling said, if you can meet with triumph and disaster, which of the following is not a literary device used for aesthetic effect in poetry? Grammar. True or false? Writing a predates poetry. False. What is the earliest surviving European poem? The Homeric epic. Which of the following is not a poetic tradition? The occult. What is the study of poetry's form called? Shakespeare composed much of his plays in sort of words, iambic pentameter. Who wrote the famous line, shall I compare thee to a summer days, thou art more lovely? Shakespeare. From what century does the poetic form the folk ballad date? The 12th. From which of Shakespeare plays is this famous like, did my heart love till now? रोमियो एंड जूलियट, ठीक है। ये जो लाइंस हैं ये रोमियो और जूलियट के प्लेस किए हैं शेक्सपियर के। What is poem called whose first letter of each line spell out of a word? Acrostic. A Loud Lang Syne is a famous poem by whom Robert Burns. How has Stephen Dunn been described in the Oxford Champion to 20th Century Poetry, a poet of middleness? The Cambridge School refers to a group who emerged when the 1960s. Margaret Atwood was born in which Canadian city? Ottawa. Which of the following words describe the prevailing attitude of high modern literature? Both A and C. Which Welsh poet wrote Under Milkwood? Dylan Thomas. Who wrote Canterbury Tales? Geoffrey Chaucer. Who wrote The Hound of the Baskervilles? Arthur Conan Doyle. William Shakespeare is not the author of White Devil. Is a late 20th century play written by a woman. Which of the following writers wrote historical novels? Sir Walter Scott and Maria Edgeworth. Who wrote Ten Little Niggers? Agatha Christie. Which of the following are Thomas Hardy book? The Poor Man and the Lady, The Return of the Native. Which of the following is not a work of John Keats? None of above. तो इनमें से कोई भी वर्क जो है वो जॉन कीट्स का नहीं है। Who wrote the poem on death and woman, wine and snuff? John Keats. The man of first obedience and ये आपको लाइंस पहचानी हुई लग जाएंगी जिन्होंने आई एम श्योर कि अपना मास्टर्स या बीएस इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में किया है। तो ये आप इसका आंसर देखने से पहले अंदाज़ा लगा लें जल्दी से कि इसका आंसर क्या हो सकता है और ये किस वर्क की लाइंस है। जी, पैराडाइज लॉस्ट। William Shakespeare was born in the year 1564. Which of the following is not a Shakespeare tragedy? ये सारी ही हैं, ठीक है। None of the above. Who wrote The Winter's Tale? William Shakespeare. ओके तो ये डिफरेंस है कि मेटाफर्स में क्या डिफरेंस होता है, तो ये उन्होंने बता दिया कि इनमें क्या डिफरेंस होता है। व्हाट इज़ द वर्ड फॉर अ प्ले और वर्ड? ये भी इसका आंसर यहाँ पे है। विच रिप्रेजेंट्स एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एलिट्रेशन? पीटर पाइपर पिक्ड पेपर्स, ठीक है। What is the imitation of natural sound in the word form onomatopoeia? The theme is the point a writer is trying to make about a subject. Concentrate on these elements when writing a good poem: theme, purpose, form and mood. Which is not a poetry form? Tale. Which is an example of proverb? What is an exaggeration? Which of the following is not a poet? You can't have your cake and eat it too. Hyperbole. Terry Saylor. Who has defined poetry as a fundamental creative act using language? Dylan Thomas. What is a sonnet? A poem of 14 lines. What is the study of meter, rhyme and intonation of a poem called as prosody? Which figure of speech is it's when a statement is exaggerated in a poem? Hyperbole. There was, aware of her true love, at length come riding by. This is a couplet from the Bailiff's Daughter of Islington. What figure of speech is used by the poet? यह नीचे आंसर है, आप इसको देख सकते हैं। Which culture is known for their long rhymic poetic verses known as Casidas? Arabic. Complete the Shakespearean line, let me not to the marriage of true minds bring. Impediments. Which of the following is a Japanese poetic form? Jintishi. What is the title of the poem that begins thus? What is this life if full of care, where have no time to stand and stare? Layer. Which of the following is not an English poet? Who was often called as the romantic poet as most of his poems revolved around nature? William Wordsworth. What is a funny poem of 5 lines called Limerick? How did W.H. Auden describe poetry? A game of knowledge. Sassoon and Brock wrote what kind of poetry? इसमें कुछ ऑप्शंस ऐसे भी हैं जिनके Where did T.S. Eliot spend most of his childhood? St. Louis. How old was Rupert Brooke at the time of his death? 28. In what form did Dylan Thomas Under Milkwood first become known? A radio play. Magazine Contemporary Poetry and Prose was inspired by which exhibition? The Surrealistic Exhibition. Why did Poetry Quarterly case publication in 1953 honor convicted of fraud? Of which poet was it said, even if he is not a great poet, he is certainly a great something? Kipling. Which of these is magnum opus of Chaucer, the Canterbury Tales? Where were the pilgrims going in the Canterbury Tales? To the shrine of St. Thomas Becket at Canterbury Cathedral. In which language the stories of Canterbury Tale are written? Middle English. Chaucer's Franklin was guilty of which sin? Gluttony. How many languages did Chaucer know? 4. From which language the name Chaucer has been driven? French. Where did Chaucer bury? Westminster Abbey. Chaucer was imprisoned during 100 Years' War. How many children Chaucer had? 4. Okay, so this is the poetry part, and these are the most repeated MCQs related to English lecturer preparation. तो आप इनको अच्छी तरह से प्रिपेयर कर लें. नेक्स्ट पास्ट जो पार्ट होगा उसको भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. और इसके अंदर जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन होती है वो अप डाउन हो जाती है लिटरेचर में. सो ये कोई इतनी वो बात नहीं है. आपको कहीं भी लगे डाउट लगे कि इसको ऐसे प्रोनाउंस नहीं करना, ऐसे करना है, या कोई ऑप्शन आपको इनकरेक्ट भी लगे तो आप उसको सर्च आउट कर सकते हैं. इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील. आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी और यूज़फुल रहेगी आपके लिए. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट पार्ट के साथ. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़. चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर लाजमी कीजिएगा.